VESTA introduces the next generation of water heater, VESTA Hybrid. The VESTA Hybrid water heater combines the advantages of tank and tankless water heater technology for a comfortable experience. It produces endless hot water from the 3-gallon preheated hot water reserve tank with the 199,000 BTU per hour powerful capacity burner. The Smart Reserve Tank technology realizes minimal pressure drop, which is one of the obstacles of high-efficiency tankless technology. The 3-gallon water storage tank has been designed with premium-grade stainless steel. VESTA ensures longer durability by its high-quality welding process. The shapes of fire tubes in VESTA have stronger durability than any other products with its maximum flexibility. Even under unfavorable conditions, flexible fire tubes absorb thermal pressure and decrease its impact. In some areas, the temperature of incoming water is low. This could damage the heat exchanger with thermal shock by hitting the hottest area of the heat exchanger with cold water. VESTA applied a water separation board to protect the heat exchanger. And in addition, it creates the turbulence of water flow to keep the heat exchanger clean from any residue buildup. The water separation board also realizes the constant hot water temperature because of the turbulence. VESTA also provides for easy installation. VESTA Hybrid can be installed as wall-hung or floor-standing without additional cost. Venting is available in both 2-inch and 3-inch depending on the installation. 3-inch venting can be installed up to 100 feet. VESTA Hybrid can be easily converted in the field from natural gas to LP gas with a simple orifice change. It also can be installed with half-inch gas pipe up to 20 feet. VESTA bypass valve and flow control valve constantly monitors the hot water to supply the desired water temperature for the maximum comfortable experience. Consider VESTA Hybrid for your next water heater.